Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure user access with Okta easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure user access with Okta, start by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Security tab in the main menu. Under the Security section, click on Authentication. Here, you will find various options for setting up authentication policies. Choose Multi-Factor to add an extra layer of security. Click on Add Multi-Factor Authentication to begin the setup. You'll see various authenticator options, such as SMS, voice call, or Google Authenticator. Select the method that best suits your organization's needs. Follow the prompts to enable the selected multi-factor option. Next, head over to the Applications tab in the main menu. Click on Add Application to start integrating your apps with Okta. Search for the application you want to secure and click on it. Follow the configuration instructions provided by Okta for that app. Once your app is linked, return to the Security tab. This time, click on Sign On Policies. Here, you can create policies for when and how users can access applications. Define your criteria, like user location or network type, as needed. Make sure to save your changes after defining the policies. Next, go to the Directory section from the main menu. Choose People to manage user accounts. You can either add new users or assign existing users to applications. Be sure to review user permissions for each application. After configuring user access, test the setup using a test user account. Log into an application to verify that multi-factor authentication prompts are appearing as expected. If all works well, you've successfully secured user access with Okta. Regularly review your authentication settings and user access for ongoing security. Stay informed about the latest Okta features to enhance your security measures. That concludes your step-by-step guide on securing user access with Okta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech